Hello, my name is Ken Musso. I'm the co-founder and the CEO for PersonaFi, and I want to welcome you to the future of finance. We believe finance is rooted in community engagement, and that is that founding principle of PersonaFi. Retail investors like you and I no longer are trapped by a system that stacks the odds against us. Instead, our collective knowledge is teaching investors to think smarter and in turn be more prosperous. The PersonaFi platform is safe, secure, and provides a level of transparency that is ahead of its class. Our users are learning from industry experts to discover new strategies, investment tips, and analysis. The power of this community continues to grow, and I ask you to see for yourself. To help you understand why I started PersonaFi, I'd like to share a story that I believe epitomizes the company. In 2008, the Great Recession caused me to cut my college career short due to financial hardships. I know many people can relate to some degree, and that has only fueled my drive. Personally, it was hard to see my family and friends struggle, and I've dedicated my entire career to helping those same people live out their financial goals. I worked for one of the largest Wall Street investment firms and was in the top 1% of financial advisors year over year because I believed I had a duty to my clients and help them on a path toward success. PersonaFi embodies these principles on a broader level, and our community is built to see everyone succeed. In life, remember, if you give a man a fish, you'll feed him for a day. But if you teach a man to fish, you'll feed him for life. I welcome you to join the PersonaFi team and become part of the fastest growing trading community around.